Hi friends, welcome back to Decor Catalog. Today video is about modern kitchen design ideas. In contemporary designs, the trend towards openness in small kitchens has become increasingly popular. This approach not only maximizes the use of limited space but also creates a welcoming and airy atmosphere. By integrating the kitchen with adjacent living areas, homeowners can foster a sense of connection and flow throughout their homes. Open concept layouts allow for better interaction among family members and guests, making cooking and entertaining more enjoyable. This fluidity between space encourages a communal lifestyle where cooking becomes a shared experience rather than a solitary task. To achieve a modern open kitchen look, several design elements can be incorporated. First, consider using a cohesive color palette that extends from the kitchen into the living space. Light colors such as white, soft grays, and pastels can help to enhance the feelings of spaciousness. Additionally, utilizing materials like glass and stainless steel can create a sleek, modern aesthetic. Open shelving can also be a practical choice, allowing for easy access to kitchen essentials while providing an opportunity to display attractive dishware. Incorporating poops of colors through accessories or artwork can add personality without overwhelming the space. In a small kitchen, functionality is key. An open layout often encourages the use of multifunctional furniture such as kitchen island that can serve as both a cooking space and a dining area. Smart storage solutions like pull-out cabinets, built appliances, and vertical storage options can help to keep the kitchen organized and clutter-free. This not only enhances the visual appeal but also ensures that the space remains practical for daily use. Consider using hidden storage solutions such as under-counter drawers or cabinets to maximize every inch of space. The transition between the kitchen and other living areas should feel seamless. This can be achieved through the use of constant flooring and cohesive design elements that tie the spaces together. Incorporating large windows or glass doors can also invite natural lights into the kitchen, further enhancing the open feel. By blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor spaces, homeowners can create a vibrant and inviting environment that feels expansive even in a small footprint. Adding greenery such as herbs or small potted plants can also bring a touch of nature indoor, enhancing the overall ambience. Finally, personal touches play a crucial role in making an open kitchen feel like home, customizing the space with unique decor. Family photos or personal artwork can infuse personality and warmth. Consider integrating elements that reflect your lifestyle, such as a small coffee station or a dedicated baking area. These personalized features not only enhance functionality but also creates a space that truly resonates with its inhabitants, making it a joyful place to gather and create memories. In conclusion, the modern small kitchen with an open-less look is characterized by thoughtful design choices that emphasizes connectivity, functionality, and aesthetic. By embracing these principles and adding personal touches, homeowners can transform their kitchens into stylish and efficient spaces that enhance their overall living experience, making them the heart of the home. If you enjoyed this exploration of modern small kitchen design, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips, ideas, and inspiration on creating beautiful and functional living space. Thank you.